Filipino foods that look like one thing but taste completely different. Number 5. Ube halaya looks like purple ice cream but tastes like creamy, nutty heaven, with a texture that's somewhere between pudding and frosting. Foreigners expect grape flavor because of the color, then get confused when it's actually earthy and sophisticated. Number 4. Taho looks like chocolate pudding with tapioca pearls, but it's actually silky tofu with brown sugar syrup. The vendor yelling, Taho! Makes it sound exotic, but you're basically eating the smoothest, sweetest breakfast pudding that happens to be made from soybeans. Number 3. Dinuguan looks like chocolate stew that should be dessert, but, surprise, it's savory blood stew that tastes rich and meaty. The dark color tricks your brain into expecting sweetness, then delivers pure umami instead. Number 2. Bibingka looks like pancakes or sponge cake, but it's actually rice cake that's chewy, slightly sweet, and topped with cheese and salted egg. Your brain expects fluffy breakfast food, but gets dense, complex flavors. Number 1. Balut looks like a regular hard-boiled egg until you crack it open and find a fully formed duck. Your eyes see normal egg snack, but your mouth gets a completely different protein experience with textures you never knew existed. Filipino cuisine is basically a masterclass in culinary illusions. We perfected foods that look familiar but taste completely unique, keeping everyone guessing what they're actually eating. Comment which Filipino food surprised you most, and follow and share if you've been tricked by Filipino food appearances.